Today's my birthday,
And I'm
and I'm donating my hair to Kids Wig.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special treat, something that I've been waiting to do for a year and a half. Today is my son's birthday. He is now 6 years old. I'm gonna be cutting my son's hair, and we're cutting it all off. Yes, all of it is going, no ponytail. One less hair to do in the morning. So let's bring in our special guests.
Today's my birthday, and I'm 6 years old. I'm donating my hair for Kids Wigs.
Wigs for kids.
I keep on forgetting that.
I don't know. Turn this way. You're nervous?
Wait, is it ripped off?
I haven't cut it yet. You ready? You ready?
Yes, ma'am. Ah! It's gonna hurt again.
We gotta cut it. Turn, face
It's
that.
gonna hurt.
You gotta toughen up now. Alright?
You ready?
Alright?
Yes, sir.
Toughen up.
Next one. There's the second one.
Don't turn it back at this point.
No turning back. Okay, hold this.
Wow.
I'm not done. I gotta get the last one. Here we go.
All done.
All done.
Well, I guess you go play.
Now we gotta go cut it. Feel your hair.
Why my hair looks so ugly?
We gotta cut it though. We still gotta cut it. Okay?
But we already cut it. See?
I know.
That ain't it, but we can't leave it
Now
like that.
we gotta shape it. And Daddy's gonna have to cut some more. Okay?
With what?
With the clippers.
Now it's all done.
Have you seen it?
No, ma'am.
You ready to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can't see that? Can you see it? Do you like it? Okay, calm that down. It's different, isn't it? It's not dry yet.
A thumbs up.
Do you think you look like a different boy?
I do. I think like I don't look. I don't think I'm Jonathan anymore.
Who are you then?
I think I'm just a made up person.
Just like when Daddy cut his beard off, he's a made up person. Well,
I don't look like myself anymore.
I think it's so cute. How you guys like it? I think it's really cute.
I thought you gotta cut all my hair off until I'm bald headed.
But you're not bald headed, are you? No. Do you look very handsome?
I do.
You think the girls still gonna like your hair? Yeah, because you like the girls liking your hair, don't you? I think they'll still say something about your hair.
Wait until I show my sisters about this.
You gonna show your sisters? You think they're gonna be excited to see your hair?
They're gonna be like, first thing when they look at me, what just happened to your hair? I donated to everybody I hope about the world, and then they will all be in the house
Just to look at your hair. Interesting. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this video. Bye!
And don't forget about the birthday boy.
And don't forget about the birthday boy. Yeah, it's Buddy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like for more videos.